If you are interested in knowing how to paint in an historic style, if you love to discover spiritual meaning in art, or you just want to experiment a type of art that is not so common, this is a course for you. Our lessons address to beginner and intermediate level.
In this course, you will learn how to paint elements of the Byzantine style and how to paint icons from the beginning to the end. In the section called Paint a Hand in the Byzantine Style, you will learn how to draw, how to mix colors, and how to paint lights and shadows. The next section regards the painting of clothes. You will learn how to draw and how to paint 3 of the most used types of clothing in the Byzantine art. In the last section, you will learn how to paint 2 icons from scratch. You will paint an icon of Virgin Mary and an icon of Jesus Christ. Now let's start our spiritual artistic journey.